Hi, I'm Miss Hearn. Let's get started. And if you find this video helpful, please remember to give it a thumbs up. That helps other students to find the video. Evaluate the limit as x approaches 2 of 2 to the x minus 4 over x minus 2. So the first thing you're going to do is to think about the limit of the top and the limit of the bottom. Plug in 2 to that, we're going to get 4 minus 4, which is 0. And down here, we're going to get 0 as well. And you always have to check that. It gets to be a habit of using L'Hopital's rule because so many of the problems in here are L'Hopital's rule problems, but then there would be steps where L'Hopital's rule doesn't work anymore, and you can make an error if you just keep applying it when it doesn't apply. You have to have either 0 over 0 or infinity over infinity, so watch out for that. Okay, in this case it applies, so we can go ahead and take the derivative of the numerator and the derivative of the denominator. All right, so how do we take the derivative of 2 to the x? Does anyone remember? What's the rule for the derivative of a to the x? And if you forget, that's over here. Remember on the previous page, we had a summary of all the derivative rules up here. I think the derivative of a to the x is a to the x natural log of a. All right, so we're going to have 2 to the x times the natural log of 2 minus 0. So I don't need to do anything with that. And then over 1. So that's just going to be, now we can plug in the 2, and we're going to just have 2 squared natural log of 2, which is 4 natural log of 2. And we're done. Let's look at this one. The limit as x approaches 0 of sine of 4x over sine of 6x. What's the first thing I need to do? Try to plug in. That's right. So sine of 0 is 0. Sine of 0 is 0. So we have a 0 over 0 indeterminate form, which means that we can apply L'Hopital's rule. So I'm going to say the limit as x goes to 0 of the sine of 4x over the sine of 6x is equal to the limit as x goes to 0 of, what's the derivative of the sine of 4x?
Is it a 4 cosine 4x?
Good, 4 cosine of 4x. All right. And then this one's going to be 6 cosine of 6x. Oops, I forgot to put my L. Make sure you put your L there. What should I do now? Try to plug in. Okay, so cosine of 0 is 1, right? And that's going to be in both the numerator and denominator. So we're good. So that's going to be 4 times 1 over 6 times 1. So that's going to be 4/6. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up. That will help other students to find the video.